Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Blenny from Joyville. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off on the top left and let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. Then let's add another circle inside each of these. Now in the top right, let's add a curve. And then color the rest of the pupils in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start with the curve across under the eyes. Then for the ends, let's curve it down and around. And then close off the bottom with a curve across. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a border in the same way. And that's it for the shape of the mouth. Now let's move in and draw the teeth. Let's start inside on the top left and let's draw a large V shape. And the same on the top right. Now next to it, let's draw another smaller tooth on both sides. And then smaller teeth across in the middle. Now let's move down, and for the bottom row, let's draw a larger one on the left and the right. Then one next to it. And then again, small ones across in the middle. And then color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve across. Then let's bring it down on both sides. And then a curve across the bottom. Now let's start drawing the body going downwards. Let's start with curves going down, and then a curve across the bottom. And let's do the same thing going down. Now when you get to this point, let's start curving it over to the right side. Let's make it slightly longer on the left and shorter on the right as we curve it down. Now let's continue it in the same way out to the right, but getting smaller as we go. And that's it for Blenny. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!